Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share very basic fun games just for fun for my 4-year-old and maybe by my 5-year-old also. But I'll explain to you what are the fun games. So basically there are 3 games. First is basically discrimination, or you can say logical thinking or visual discrimination, whatever. The point is, this is a question. These are zoomies. These are not zoomies. So which of them is zoomie? So to get the logic here, if you observe them carefully, there is a spiral in each of them. They do not have spiral, and in this one which has spiral is a zoomie. So you get the logic. So the child has, I'll not explain to zoomie or anything, like what is the difference. She has to recognize it. I'll tell these one is say something similar in them, which is not in them, and she has to find which one is this one. So you can explain your language, but that's a logic. That same way, snippers, non-snippers, which one is a snipper? So if you say it has a curved and cross, curved, this will be the snipper. The third one is, I made like that. Shoodles, non-shoodles, and which is a shoodle. Buffer, non-buffer, which is a buffer. So like these straight lines. The same way I've created here, fidget, non-fidget. So this is more on the number of sides, all these are quadrilaterals, these are not, and then it will be only this one. So the logic can change as per the child capability. I know my child's level, so I create very simple ones. Again here it has dot, so the only with the dots would be the class. This is mostly of the fine motor skills or numbers or whatever you say. Here I have made a home and here is a shop. She has to go from home to shop, but without touching any of them. So if she starts like this, then she has to go like this and this and this and this. So here the point is, we are working on pre-writing skills. So she's bored of the tracing ones where she should not touch the line and all. So just to create more fun. So this is my first version, so I kept it very simple. If your child is a little better, then you can make it more complex, more lines, so that it's very intricate and she has to really watch her fingers that she should not touch the black lines. And this one is again a very simple game we used to play as a kids. So this is the home, this is the ice cream. We have to go from home to 1, 2, 3, 4 and till 13, get the ice cream and come back, but make sure that you do not cross the lines or touch any other number on the way. So again, it's a motor skills as well as number recognition activity for her. And obviously it's logical because she has to think a long time, that she has to take a wide route so that she doesn't go near the numbers. We'll see how it goes with her, and hope you enjoyed. Bye bye.